We've heard from Citadel CEO Neil Brown, and now let's focus on the well-being of the Peregrine Group as a whole. And I'm joined by Jan van Niekerk, the CEO. Welcome, Jan.
Hi, Jay.
Please provide us with an overview of the group's results for the year.
Peregrine has produced a stable set of results if we compare to the previous year. This year, in aggregate, profits attributable to our shareholders is about 314 million rand, which is 2% higher than what we had last year. Obviously, we have a number of operating businesses, so some of them have done slightly worse. We've seen our securities business struggle, and we've also seen Stenham Asset Management, which is our international hedge fund of funds business, being under pressure. On the contrary, Citadel produced very steady and growing profits, while Peregrine Capital and Stenham Properties had an exceptional year in the past year. And the blend of that caused a nice steady increase in profitability for the group.
So would you say, given the whole set of results, are you feeling fairly positive?
We think the Peregrine Group has shown that we are quite resilient and that we can produce increased profitability in which has actually been quite a tough time for financial services companies, not only in South Africa but globally.
Let's move on to Citadel's role now. You mentioned that it has been doing well. Can you expand on this?
Sure. Apart from the profitability of Citadel, which is very important to the shareholders of the company and which Neil has mentioned is 108 million rand for the last year, what is important is that the quality of the business and the quality of our people is paramount. And when we look at that, we see that our assets under management now have increased to 20 billion rand. We have written new money, or new families have joined us to the tune of 2.6 billion rand, and our existing clients have chosen to stay with us by and large for most of the year. And that means that we have a good quality business, and we appreciate the trust that our clients put in Citadel and our partners in the business, and allowing us to look after their assets.
Jan, does the group have any major plans for the coming year?
We have indeed. We have recently announced that we are embarking on a major restructuring of the group, where we want to make sure that the group is appropriately positioned. Our South African businesses, we have changed the way our BE shareholding is held in South Africa. So our group's affiliated BE investment company called Nala now owns 20%, or will be owning 20% of our South African operations quite soon. And Peregrine as a group will focus explicitly on financial services operating businesses in South Africa and overseas. The slight deviation is in the past we used to hoard our profits and invest the money on our balance sheet for extra profits. Going forward, most of our profits, or as much as prudent, will be paid to our shareholders in dividends, which we think is an appropriate way to structure our group going forward. And it allows us a basis to grow the business, to help support Citadel as a business in our group to grow even faster, but not only for growth, but to have the ability to service our clients much better.
Thank you, Jan.
Sure.
And thank you for watching.